Don't try this at home, kids, but we're gonna blow up some airbags today. I don't know if I like how close I will be to this. Should I extend this cable? Looks all right.
What is it that happens again if you film at like a stupid high shutter rate?
So this time we're gonna launch it face down into this tree, and hopefully not the barn. This is a great time to remind you to subscribe to the channel. So Steve's very excited today because he's been holding onto these airbags for probably like 3 weeks now, and he's been wanting to blow them up. So today's finally the day. How high do you think it's gonna fly up in the air?
See, I don't know. It's definitely gonna hit this branch up here, but.
That's pretty good. 10 out of 10 for safety and deployment. That was good. Go. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I know it's been like 4 or 5 months since we posted, but we're back. And we had good reason for leaving. It wasn't burnout. It was because Marcus and I just bought a brand new house, which means brand new shop. We went from a small 2-car garage to a 3-car plus. So we have much more room to film videos and upgrade our race cars. But anyways, come on in. The reason why you clicked on this video is because this is part 2 of C5 Corvette roll cage install. So let me update you on some of the work I've done since we last posted. So first of all, welcome to our brand new 3-car garage shop. Mark, give them a quick pan. We got the Mustang inside. We got a bay for the Corvette. And then we still have a bay open for like working on stuff. We have drift events coming up. We're pushing it. We have drift events on August 11th and in September 16th. We have to do this roll cage. And then I also bought a ton of new parts for the Corvette. I'm gonna keep them a secret for now, but just know that we have a lot of videos coming. So what we're gonna be doing today in this video is we're gonna be tacking the cage up and getting it fitted to the car. And we'll probably, in this video as well, full weld it. So we'll weld all the joints. In a nutshell, drift events coming up. It's cram time. We're filming videos again. We missed you guys. We cleaned all the tubes. They've been sitting. I bought this cage from Cagekits. This is a Cagekits cage, if you guys missed the first video. It's all laser etched. It's already bent, it's already cut. It's basically like Legos. So this should go pretty quick and pretty smooth. So Marcus and I polished the cage. We got all the oil, all the grease, all the grime off of it. And we've already test fitted a few of them, so we know where they're going, but now we just need to hold them in place and start tacking them. I cut some of the rocker and this inner panel here, I don't know what this is called, but I cleared out all the fiberglass here so I have direct access to the steel frame rail, and this base bracket goes right here. Look at how tight of a fit that is. Really, really good. So I don't know exactly where it's gonna go in space yet, but I left myself some room to grind and weld around the edges there. So the next ones are your base brackets that look like this. They're little tiny triangle pieces. That triangle is gonna fit right here in this corner, right behind the driver's seat here. So it's gonna look something like this. And then I'm also gonna clean all of this weld sealer and all of this junk out of the way so we have a nice clean welding surface. So we're suiting up. So we've used some paint markers. We put some marks on the car so we know where these base plates need to be. So I'm gonna tack them in, and then obviously we're gonna put the main hoop back in and all the crossbars and make sure we're happy with the height, and we need to make sure the hoop is level. Got the base plates for the main rear hoop, so we got the height correct, and we're fitting the A-pillar or the driver like top bars that go up the A-pillar across the targa. And we need to do just a little bit of clearancing here on our targa top. So I need to just barely take away enough material so the tube can poke in there. Going that way. Exit. Hold on.
Steve, it's really starting to look like a roll cage now, huh?
It's definitely starting to look like a roll cage. We're getting excited. We basically have the main exoskeleton of the driver compartment done. We have not done any of the rear tubing, but we have the top NASCAR bar welded in. We have the main hoop welded in. We have the main top support 8-pillar hoops welded in. We have the windshield crossbar welded in with its supports. So we are at the point now to where we're gonna take out the bottom door bar and all 4 base plates. We're gonna drop this frame down, and we need to finish all of our welds at all of these top corners here. So I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little nervous. I decided to leave my windshield in. My friends who bought the cage with me removed their windshield, but I was told that it was doable. So I'm hoping that we can drop it enough that I can squeeze the welder in here. I need to weld right here in this corner. So I'm hoping we can get that done.
All right, show us what we got.
Well, the base plates are out and the cage is dropped. Mark, if you come take a look right here, it's not much, but we're gonna call it
Plenty
home.
of room,
yeah,
to weld the top of the cage.
We'll be able to snake the welder in here for sure. The Lord has joined us, so now we'll switch over to his really nice camera. We have the base plates back in, so here's the front base plate. We have it just tacked in. It's not fully welded, but the very next step is to fully weld all 4 of the base plates. We got the rear plates in, so same thing on the other side. So now Marcus is gonna go and lay a full bead and fully weld these in. Once we do that, we'll be ready to weld the tubes to the base plates.
Yep, time to crawl into small places.
And do some welding.
Yep, and get burned a little bit probably.
Absolutely. We got these guys here today too. So we'll be switching from this crappy G7X to their nice cameras.
Just a little bit.
You guys ready to blow up some airbags today?
You know it? Yeah, you gonna sit on it?
Yeah. up, guys? It's another new day. New Crown Racing Co shirt. CrownRacingCo.com if you want to get your own. If you haven't, make sure to subscribe to the channel. We do rad and we're going drifting real soon. You don't want to miss those videos. Mark's doing the door bars right now. He's doing it right now. Let's check in. That side you off there. Will Steven hold it level? Stay tuned. All right, so we got the harness bar tacked in. Here is the seatbelt angle for Steve in his driving position. Looks pretty good. The seatbelts are not horizontal. There's a small slope down, but it's definitely less than 20 degrees, so we should be good there. It needs to be between horizontal and 20 degrees, no more, and then nowhere above horizontal. Also, spoiler alert, brand new OMP racing harnesses, 3-inch 6-point. You guys will see us install these in the car in a future video. Down here, I'm gonna psych this up. All right, guys, finally moving on to the rear cage supports that come down to the frame rails here on the left and the right side. And then we have an X that goes between the tubes. So let's tack it up. I just can't wait to be done. Jeez, you're not having any fun. It has been a long 2 weeks and some change, but Marcus and I finally got the roll cage installed and fully welded. So that's gonna be it for this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. If you didn't watch part 1 where we pulled the interior out, go watch it now. And keep an eye out for part 3 because we're gonna paint the cage and put the interior back inside the car. And then I'll have more videos after that installing some brand new safety equipment I bought for the Corvette. But thank you guys so much for watching. And I'm gonna close out this video with a cinematic shoot of what the cage looks like fully installed and fully welded. So that way if you guys are doing this cage in your C5 Corvette, you can kinda look at how we did it and then do it something similar, or maybe you guys can do even better. So again, thanks for watching and enjoy this cinematic B-roll of the cage inside of my 1997 C5 Corvette drift car. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.